Last day of July 2025. I want to take a look at the position of Bitcoin. I get a lot of questions on Bitcoin and crypto. I don't really follow crypto closely. I just took a quick look at where we are in price and time, and I'm going to go over what I see with this right now. This is the condensed look of Bitcoin on a weekly chart. There's a 4-year cycle in Bitcoin, and you can see where we had these prior tops here marked by the blue vertical lines. This line here I had over the mid-July high. I pushed it over though so you could actually see the candle there and the big wick on the high bar. We had those prior tops in November of 21 and December of 2017. So that would project for a fall major top here in 2025. Looking at these price levels, you can see I have this red rectangular plot up there at the high area. The low and high of that rectangle were two key price levels from one from my Plato calculations and one from some triangle calculations that I also do. I also looked back and took a couple of projections from key areas. This key area here, which was I think around 15,460 or so. If I run 3 ascending octaves up from there, that gives me a target of 123,680, which was hit on that wick. One thing that's important about these price levels here is we have not had a close above that area yet. So in order for this to continue to the upside, we need to take out those target areas of that 123,680. And then I also had another target, taking a low from back in 2015, giving it a 10-year look back. There was a low of 109.93. Squaring that low gave me a price target of 120,846, which was also in that rectangle. So I've got 4 different price calcs putting me in that area of that red rectangle. Now we're still holding in this bullish market yet. We don't have any corrective move yet. Let me switch over to a daily chart. Now here's a daily chart, and I've zoomed in a little bit. I'm looking off of this last low from April here, April 7th, 2025. I'm running a key support angle up off that low. This is not a trend line hooking bottoms together. This is an actual angle derived from the price analysis. And right now we are still holding this angle, indicating that this trend is still bullish. Notice how when we hit that angle of the rectangle here, not the angle, but when we hit the rectangle and we made that big wick, we could not stay above that that zone. So now we fell back, and now we're bucking that 120 area here where most of those tops in the consolidation are. Now this angle is going to be key. If we hold this angle, we should push up and start to move above this 123, 124 area. So we'll see how this plays out. Right now we're at a key point as we approach the first week of August. So by about the 10th of August or so, we'll know how this is going to play out. If we break down, we could get into a significant corrective move here. So that's the current position of what I'm looking at with Bitcoin